Hey, what's going on guys? WatchView here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the CAC City watch. And this watch is basically a no-name watch, so you guys probably have not heard of this watch before. And this is the second video of my series on the top selling watches on Amazon, so if you guys want to see the first video I made, I'll put a link in the description down below. So as you guys can see, I did buy the watch on Amazon, as you can tell from the packaging. And there we go. So this has pretty standard packing materials, just a cardboard box and looks like some bubble wrap. Yep. And here we have some literature, operation instruction manual. There you go. And here's the watch. One of the first things I noticed about the watch is actually how big it is. I think it's 50 millimeters, but I'm not totally too sure on that. I will expand more on my review, but I'm just going to try to be as brief as possible in this video. It does feel a little bit on the light side too, but that's to be expected with a inexpensive watch. And on the back it says water resistant to 5 ATM. Also, you guys can see it gives you the battery code, which is nice when you need to buy a battery. Instead of looking through the literature, you can just check on the back and see what battery you need. It does have, of course, a stopwatch and an alarm, and a light in the top left corner. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more content. My review for this watch is coming out soon, so be sure to check that out when it comes out. Well, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.